Now I'm explaining portal system again. A portal system starts as capillaries and ends in capillaries. A portal vein collects blood from an organ and carries it to another organ other than the heart. The major portal system in man is hepatic portal system. The hepatic portal vein carry deoxygenated blood from alimentary canal to the liver. From liver, the hepatic vein carries deoxygenated blood to the inferior vena cava. Now I'm talking about significance of portal system. The blood with nutrients absorbed from alimentary canal is taken to the liver for the storage for future use. Example, glucose is converted to glycogen. This is known as glycogenesis. Extra amino acid are catabolized. All this is essential to maintain the normal composition of blood. Now I'm explaining lymphatic system again. The lymphatic system include lymph vessels and lymphoid organs. What is lymph? The excess of interstitial fluid pushed into the lymph capillaries is called lymph. It is virtually blood minus red blood cells. It is viscous and mostly pale yellow in color. It contains organic substances, enzyme, hormones, excretory substances like urea, some leukocyte and thrombocytes. Unlike blood, it lacks large protein molecules and RBCs. Function: the lymph transport lymphocyte and antibodies formed in the lymph nodes. It carries hormone and enzymes formed in the cell to general blood circulation. Now I'm explaining lymphatic vessels. The lymph capillaries open into lymph channels called lymphatic vessels. These vessels carry lymph towards the heart. Along their course, these have swelling called lymph nodes. These nodes produce lymphocytes and antibodies. The lymphatic vessels join up to form larger vessels which eventually unite to form two main ducts, the lymphatic ducts, which employ their content into large veins that enter the right auricle. Now I'm explaining lymphoid organs. The lymphoid organ include lymph nodes, tonsil, thymus and spleen. Among these, the spleen is more important. It is reddish brown organ situated behind the stomach and above the left kidney in the abdominal cavity. It acts as reservoir of blood and release it during emergency. It forms lymphocyte and destroy damaged and old RBCs, red blood cells. Besides, it also produces RBC during the embryonic period. Now I'm explaining portal system again. A portal system starts as capillaries and ends in capillaries. A portal